Hello folks, here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we happen to be, where? How do you pronounce this town?
Weyauwega.
How?
Weyauwega.
Weyauwega. Population almost 1,800 people. First time in this little town, let's see how it is. I always wanted to come and check it out because it seems like a beautiful church somewhere here. You see that from the freeway every time, and we never stop in this town, I don't think.
No, we haven't. We had no reason to.
Oh my, look at, that's a church. That's what you see.
Even when we were going to Weyauwega, Wild Rose, and Hartman Creek Campground, we never drove through here. Never had a reason to.
Beautiful church. Well, now I'm impressed. That is a beautiful cathedral, seems like. As you can see, pretty much every town here in Wisconsin looks like almost the same city. A few different things about every town is their church, maybe a historical building. But other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. Oh, this is downtown. Oh my. Let's give it a shot. That looks like Luxembourg. Look at that little building on the left-hand side. Germantown. It's a nice little downtown. And USA over there. Very small town, seems like.
It is.
Not a happening town. But it is Sunday morning. It is October.
The bar's open.
Bar is open, really?
It says it was.
Oh boy. Church is open too and bar.
Well, that was downtown.
Yeah, that's it. Oh,
Let's go back now.
little horsey right there. That's nice. Ooh, let me see here.
Spire.
Oh my, that is so Michigan looking like. Only in Michigan have places like that. Well, that I've seen anyways, right? A very small community, guys. It is only almost 1,800 people. Very quiet, very clean though. And no, I don't think maybe.
Everything's maintained well.
Yeah.
Everybody's property is nice looking.
Yeah, it's not trashy or anything. It's actually nice. So this is right off freeway number 10, huh?
Yep.
By West
Well, it's essentially north of Weyauwega.
North?
Just slightly.
Weyauwega. Okay, got it.
That's Weyauwega, Weyauwega.
Well, that's nice. Well, thank you for doing that. That's really nice. So I guess this is the town.
That was it.
That was it, huh? What is that? Dairyland Animal Health. Oh, I don't know. Oh, Berlin. So one of these buildings that I saw downtown here in this town, guys, looks like Berlin city, like kind of German buildings. You know where you're going?
No.
Oh,
So I'm looking for signs and looking for
got it.
something.
Well, thank you so much for watching us, guys, here at Jeff and Jessica Sinna in Wisconsin. We hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for the subscribers here at Jessica Sinna in Wisconsin. Thank you to all of the new ones, and thank you for the ones that are still here. So thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed this video. This is Weyauwega, Wisconsin, and next to freeway number 10.
Coincidentally, we're going the right direction. So there you have it.
Boom, there it is.
That was interesting.
Yeah, and Berlin is about 27 miles from here, Appleton 29, and Fremont 7 miles. We'll see you next time, and once again, thank you, all of you guys. And also they have this beautiful shopping center here, guys. Look at this.
Tourist trap.
They have good wine though, and they have good coats and also hats. Just to give a heads up, guys. I've been there before, and it is fun. Well, thank you for watching us once again, and we'll see you next time. God bless you all, and happy Sunday Fun Day, October 29, 2023.